Petoskey Plastic's new GreenPE shrink collation film is engineered to meet your preferred performance specifications while also helping you meet sustainability goals. Our Collation shrink film will meet and exceed virgin film in key areas like strength, haze, shrink, and film consistency, all while featuring up to 50% post-consumer recycled material. Through our in-house recycling facility and long-standing closed-loop partnerships with customers, we control the conditions of incoming landfill diverted plastic, ensuring consistent quality of the post-consumer resin we use in production. In addition to those safeguards, our post-consumer recycled resin is third-party certified to guarantee a genuine, sustainable product. Our 5-layer technology exceeds other shrink films with a structure that keeps the performance properties within the core while maintaining traditional optics on the outer skin layers. With minimal surface roughness and high clarity throughout, your product can be showcased beneath the film, and it will stand out on shelves with eye-popping print that puts your brand on display. Through our investment in new state-of-the-art technology, we're capable of precise profile control to maintain consistent mill thickness across the surface. This improvement in film quality minimizes printing errors, generates efficient converting, and increases yields. With multiple layers of protection and 50% post-consumer recycled content, Petoskey Plastics offers a shrink film with unmatched clarity, flexibility, and consistency that will be a valuable addition to your packaging process and take you one step closer to achieving your company's sustainability goals. Learn more about our GreenPE shrink at petoskeyplastics.com.